Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the software update on your Amazon Echo Studio speaker and also or any other Amazon speakers. So the first thing, just simply go for the Home tab and go for Access Devices. Select your speaker, Amazon Echo, and right now you have to go for the Bluetooth connections. We have to connect the device. In the most cases our speaker will be pops right here, but if you don't get it, your speaker, you can just simply make it manually, so you have to go for the system settings on your phone, then simply enter the Bluetooth, and you have to find your Amazon speaker. As you can see, I was previously connected, but for sure I can unpair to show you step by step how to make it. So I'm gonna turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And there's our speaker, so we have to select.
Connected to Qute's iPhone.
As you
now
can
that's
see,
repaired, next time just say, connect my phone.
Okay, so as you can see and as you can hear, we are successfully connected. And right now, when we go back for the application, you will also get our smartphone. And right now our smartphone will automatically download software updates for our Echo speaker. Of course, the speaker must be connected to the internet. We have to be connected with our smartphone and speaker by the Bluetooth connection. And the update install the next time our phone connects to our Echo speaker over the Bluetooth. So we can check the software version and the settings when you go for the devices, pick our speaker, and then click this icon right here in the right upper corner. We can scroll down all the way down, and in the about we'll find the software version. And that's all. So basically you don't have to do anything, just connect phone and speaker by the Bluetooth. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.